Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chitral Shah, and today's pick a card reading is to receive messages from the Light Seeds Tarot deck. So, this messages would be general guidance for the next few months. So, without any further ado, let me introduce you to the three piles we have for today. First pile is this card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. Pause the video if you would like to, and then select the pile that you are intuitively drawn towards. You can select the pile based on your intuition or based on the images on the cards. Once you have selected the pile, please go down to the description section below for the timestamps to receive your guidance. So, all those who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your reading. So, I'll be doing live shuffling of the cards, and the first card we have is the Seven of Wands. So apart from the Sun, we have the Seven of Wands, Justice, Temperance. So I feel majority of you who have selected this pile are looking for more joy, happiness and peace in their life. There has been lot of troubles in your life and you are looking for a way to get out of it. You are hoping to find justice in your life and a balance in giving and receiving, and balance in majority of the things in your life. With the Temperance card over here, I feel that you are really trying to find your own wings and fly on your own. uh, Balance, I feel, is the key to majority of you who have selected this pile, and you are really trying hard to make things and situations balanced in your life right now. So for the next few months, I feel that balance will be achieved if you let go of all the worries that you have been going through in your life. And in order to let go of the worries, you need to meditate a lot and find your inner peace by learning to stay alone. Staying alone does not mean that you need to feel lonely at all times. Staying alone can also be felt as a refreshing mood changer and mood activator for you all. Let's see the next cards we have for you. Four of Cups, King of Cups, the Hanged Man, and Three of Pentacles. So definitely you need to stay alone and find your balance. Let go of all the worries and troubles in your life and find your inner peace by concentrating on your emotions. Remember, your emotions and how you feel does not have to depend on other people and outside sources. It has to be completely dependent upon you. You have the ability and the power to make yourself feel happy and successful and calm. So don't give your power to others. With the Hanged Man over here, I feel that you have the power to achieve anything once you put your mind into it. So tap into that potential of yours to achieve it. With the Three of Pentacles over here, I also feel that you have a lot of talent within yourself. You just need to show it to the world. Let go of your limitations and let go of worries that people will accept your work, people will accept you as you are, because once you show them who you truly are, people are definitely going to accept you. So for the next few months from the Light Seeds Tarot, definitely let go of your trouble, find your inner peace, inner calm, and display your work to find balance in your life. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. For donations, link has been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 2 or the Moon Tarot card, let's begin with the reading. So with the Moon card over here, I feel that you have been wondering about a decision to make and are really confused what decision you need to make and which choice would be the best choice for you. Remember, any choice is better when you make it. No, and making no choice is definitely a no, and it would really stop you from moving ahead. So at least make a choice. Don't worry if it is a right choice or a wrong choice, because you can definitely change paths if you are not satisfied with the choice that you have made. So let's begin with the new other cards that we have for you. The next card we have is Four of Wands. Your choice is going to definitely bring you success in your life, and it is going to be a celebration in the coming few months in your life. Be happy that whatever you choose, you are going to be successful in it, and it is the right choice for you. Do not let worries and fears stop you from making a choice. Queen of Cups and the Judgment card. So let go of the judgment that you have about yourself and understand that you are the queen of your life, you are the king of your life. You have the ability to be happy and successful in your life, and only when you make a choice and feel happy about it, you are going to be successful. Do not judge yourself and do not put judgments upon yourself based on what other people talk about you, because only you know what hardships have you gone through and what it is that you truly wish to achieve in your life. No other person has the power and potential to judge you. So how you feel about yourself and how you think about yourself is what decides your future. So feel happy and positive about yourself. Feel that you are successful like the lady over here in the Judgment card, and let go of the fear so that you would definitely reach success and find moments of joy, happiness, and celebration in your life. Let's see the next cards that we have for you. Pile number 2, Queen of Wands. We have got two queens. Pile number 2, Four of Cups. Okay. The Devil and Eight of Swords. So I feel with the Queen of Wands card over here, definitely use your power and potential and passion to reach success. Do not keep on wondering and waiting for the right time or the right moment to make a decision, because you have the ability to be successful. If you do not make a choice and keep on thinking which is the best choice that you should be making, you will be trapped like this female over here in Eight of Swords card over here, and definitely you will be your success and your future would be halted. So make that choice to come out of judgments, come out of your limitations, of your fears, to a very successful and happy life and celebration in the coming few months. Also with the Devil card over here, I feel that you have been entrapped by your own power, by your own feelings, thoughts, and emotions. So right now it is a time for you to let go of those fears and judgments that you have made about yourself, or which you have taken from other people, because that is the only thing that can keep you captivated in your life. Let go of it to experience happy, joyful moments and celebrations in the coming few months. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. For personal readings and energy healing work, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. And if you wish to donate to the channel, links have been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. Hello wonderful souls, all those who have selected pile number 3 or the star card. Let's begin with the reading. So with the star card over here, I feel that uh, some of you are waiting for your dreams to become a reality. So with the star card, I feel that stop waiting and start acting is the guidance that the angels and the universe wishes to give you. Because in the next 3 months, in the next few months, your dreams becoming a reality is actually possible as you start acting now. If you do not act, definitely there will be no results. The universe and the divine energies are aligning your vibrations with your dreams. So, acting will only help you elevate that state and make your dreams a reality at the earliest. If you do not act, you will be staying in the same place for a longer period of time than what the universe would be delivering and would be happy to give you. Because definitely your dreams becoming a reality is what I can see in the next few months. However, you need to stop sitting and start acting for it to be a reality. Let's see the next cards that we have for you, pile number 3. The next card is Five of Pentacles. With the Five of Pentacles card, I feel that you need to get out of the victim mode and really get over everything that has been holding you back, because you have the key in your life to open the doors to success. The next card we have is Two of Swords. Again, the same message. Get out of the victim mentality, get out of where you are and start taking decisions and making choices for yourself, for your life. With the King of Wands card, I feel you have the passion within you. However, it has been buried inside you. You need to find a mentor or someone or a friend who can motivate you to move ahead in your life and to help you to reach the success that you have been waiting for in your long time. You have trapped yourself within the boundaries that other people have made for you or have enforced on you. So it is now time for you to become the lion and get out of that entrapment and make decisions and choices for yourself, for your life. Let's see the next card that we have for you, pile number 3. So we have the Sun card. Wow. See, I told you, success is definitely going to be yours. However, you need to get out of the victim mentality. We have the Fool card. Wow. 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands. So with the 10 of Swords and the 10 of Wands card, I feel that there is lots of heavy burden that you have been carrying with you, physically, mentally and emotionally. Also with 5 of Pentacles and 2 of Swords tell the same story. So with the Star card, Sun, Fool card and King of Wands card, I wish to tell you that within the next few months you can be successful. You have full power and abilities to be successful. You need to get out of all these mentalities, all the victim modes that you have been holding on to within yourself, and take the power back, like the lion over here who has got out of his way and is choosing his own path. Take that leap of faith, because success is yours. You have the power to manifest anything in your life right now. You have it all within you. With the Sun and the Star card, the universe is blessing you with divine energies to manifest a reality of your choice. However, you need to get out of the entrapment that you have made for yourself with your thoughts, feelings and emotions to create a life of your choice. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. For personal readings and distance energy healing sessions, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. If you wish to send donation, links have been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you.